Hello friends, I am Shashank Dadhij from Department of Electrical Engineering in Arya College of Engineering and IT. We are going to discuss about the current transformer and errors in the current transformers. Firstly, the instrument transformers. A transformer that is used in conjunction with a measuring instrument. It utilizes the current transformation and voltage transformation properties to measure high AC current and voltage. They also provide isolation to measure high current and high voltage. It is very difficult to measure a high amount of current and voltages in transmission line with our low range of equipments like ammeters, clamp circuits. So we use the instrument transformers for the measuring of the high amount of current and voltages. So type of the instrument transformers are current transformers and potential or voltage transformers. Current transformers. An instrument transformer in which the secondary current in normal condition of use is substantially proportional to the primary current and differs in phase from it by an angle which is approximately 0 and an appropriate direction of the connections. Okay. So current transformer basically a step up transformer in case of the voltage and step down transformer in case of the current. Primary winding, the winding through which flows the current to be transformed. Secondary winding, the winding which supplies the current circuit of measuring instrument, meters, relay or similar apparatus. The ammeters, instruments or relays, they are connecting in series. Connecting in series in secondary windings. Secondary circuit, the external circuit supplied by the secondary winding of a transformer. Rated primary current, the value of the primary current on which the performance of the transformer is based. Rated secondary current, the value of the secondary current on which the performance of the transformer is based. Actual transformation ratio, the ratio of the actual primary current to the actual secondary current. Rated transformation ratio, the ratio of the rated primary current to the rated secondary current is known as rated transformation ratio. Now the construction of the current transformer. As we know, the current transformers are generally step up transformer in case of the voltage. We can classify it into two categories, bar type and wound type. There is the simply connection and a circuit symbol of a current transformer where the IP is primary current, IS is the secondary current which is connected to the secondary circuit or secondary winding. This is the basic circuit symbol of a current transformer. Here the main primary conductor is working as a primary winding of this circuit and the number of turns are in secondary circuit. So the ratio is 1 ratio x. That means the one winding in primary side and the x number of windings are in secondary windings. So it is now according to number of turns n1 greater than n1 less than n2, it will be work as a step up transformer. Okay, a current transformer like any other transformer must satisfy the ampere turn equation, and we know that turns ratio is equal to the turns ratio n equals to the np upon ns equals to is upon ip. That means the primary side number of turns in primary side upon number of turns in secondary side should be equal to the current in secondary side upon primary current in primary side. So we will get the current in the secondary circuit, that will be the IP multiply with NP upon NS. Okay, there is a connection in there is a connection of a current transformer in circuit. The current transformer is connected in series with the circuit or with the instrument. In a bar primary type CT, the primary is straight conductor which is a part of power system. In this type of CT, the primary does not necessary from the part of CT. The secondary has a ring type. Okay, the primary is a part of power system or it is a conductor, and in the secondary side in this type of current transformer, the secondary has a ring type iron core on which the winding is wound uniformly over the entire periphery. Okay, this type of construction has a negligible leakage flux of both primary and secondary, hence possesses low reactance. As there is only one primary turns, the primary current should be high enough to produce sufficient exciting ampere turns to give a reasonable output. Current transformer errors. An actual current transformer errors with which we connected can best be considered through a study of phasor diagram of CT. Let's take a flux of reference phi m, EMF, ES and EP are lags behind the flux by 90 degree. The magnitude of phasors ES and EP are proportional to the secondary and primary turns. The exciting current I naught, which is made up by the IM and IW. The secondary current I naught lags behind the secondary induced EMF ES by an angle phi S. The secondary current is now transferred to the primary side by reversing IS and multiplied by the turns ratio KT. The total current flows through the primary IP is then vector sum of KTIS and the vector sum of KTIS and I naught. So the current error or ratio error, which the error which a transformer introduce into the measurement of a current and which arise from the fact that actual transformation ratio is not equal to the rated transformation ratio. So current error percentage will be K and multiplies by the secondary current minus the primary current into 100 upon the primary current, where Kn is the rated transformation ratio, IP is the actual primary current and IS is the actual secondary current when IP flowing under the condition of measurement. Same as the composite error. Composite error percentage will be 100 upon IP multiplied with root of 1 upon T integrated 0 to limit 0 times to T Kn IS multiply with IS whole square dt, where Kn is the rated transformation ratio, IP is the actual primary current, IP is the instantaneous value of primary current, IS secondary current, T is the duration of one cycle. Phase error or phase angle ratio. Phase angle ratio will be defined as 180 upon pi multiplied by Im cos phi minus IE sin phi upon NIS in degree. Thank you.